Disturbing news coming in from Chhattisgarh. 9 dead in Bijapur Naxal attack. We're talking about 8 Jawans and 1 driver killed in a blast by the improvised explosive device, the IED. The Maoists have blown up a vehicle of the security personnel with the IED. Absolutely disturbing news coming in, and a reminder of how the tensions with regard to Maoists is still prevalent in the state of Chhattisgarh. 8 Jawans and the driver have lost their lives. This also means that this was in many ways can be seen as an ambush, that it was a premeditated attack by the Naxals. They clearly were aware that there is going to be a movement. We'll try and get more details if this was an army vehicle, CRPF. We are getting more details of what exactly happened. I want to go across to Sumi Rajapan for the latest on that. Sumi, what do you hear? What has happened? What are the officials telling you at this point?
Yes, the Bijapur SP, Jitendra Singh Yadav, is right now visiting the spot, and he is taking stock of the entire situation. But what we know so far is the 8 DRG, District Reserve Guard personnel, have lost their lives, including 1 driver. So the death toll has now gone up to 9. And in fact, this is seen as a retaliation. While they were on their way, there was a pickup van that was coming, and it was an anti-landmine vehicle on which they were on board. And in fact, they were on their way from Kutru to Bhairamgarh Tehsil. And the Kutru road is approximately 60 kilometers away from Bhairamgarh in Bijapur. While they were returning, this particular incident has taken place. The IED blew up the entire vehicle, and in fact, in that vehicle, there were 9 people on board, including the driver. They have lost their lives, unfortunately. They were returning from an anti-Naxal operation. In fact, they had successfully conducted this anti-Naxal operation in Abujmar, in the dense forest of Abujmar, and this was a joint operation by 3 districts, Narayanpur, Dantewada and Bijapur. And in fact, the DRG as well as the STF personnel were part of this operation while they were on their way. And yesterday, after the operation went successful, this is seen as a retaliation of what the Naxals have done. In fact, as I was telling you, that this anti-Naxal operation is very crucial because the number of total Naxals eliminated has gone up beyond 200, and this is a massive success of the state government as well. But in this situation, this pre-planned IED blast has now taken place, which has unfortunately taken lives of 9 people so far, including the 8 personnel of the DRG. This is rather very, very unfortunate news that is coming up. In fact, initially the numbers were also not confirmed, but so far the IG has also released a press release in which it is confirmed and official that 9 people, including the driver, has unfortunately been martyred.
But this clearly is a reminder, Sumi, isn't it? And you've been tracking what's unfolding in Chhattisgarh, especially in areas like Bastar, that this left-wing extremism, Maoist and Naxal violence is still prevalent, even though it has sharply come down over past few years, where these attacks and ambush would be more frequent. What do you hear of the status of this presently?
Yes, absolutely. Since the inception of the Bharatiya Janata Party government here in the state, Amit Shah was quite clear that he wanted to eliminate Naxalism till 2026 margin. In fact, time and again, Union Minister Amit Shah has given this statement quite equivocally, that rather fight this fight with us or join us. And which is why we had seen a lot of Naxals surrendering also these days. A lot of Naxals were being brought to the mainstream. And certainly the Naxals, this is not going down well with the Naxals and their teams, which is why a retaliation was planned. And these IED devices are planted years during the construction of the road takes place. And when it has to, when it has to be activated, that is decided by their commandos. And this was certainly high time for them, because there have been many operations in the recent times where during the anti-Naxal operations, many Naxals have been eliminated, and this certainly has pinched them. So this can certainly be seen as a retaliation.
Tell me this, we're talking about the DRG here, the District Reserve Guard, if I'm correct. Yes, if you can hear me, Sumi. Tell us more about the DRG here, because there's usually the CRPF, there's of course the state police, but there is the DRG as well, and it appears they are more prone now to these attacks.
Yes, absolutely. DRG are prone, and in fact, they are the experts in carrying out such anti-Naxal operations. These are the District Reserve Guard. Yes. And in fact, in 2005, when Salwa Judum was banned, the Supreme Court made an order to ban Salwa Judum. Most of the personnel who were trained, they formed the DRG. And since then, such anti-Naxal operations with precision are being carried out by the DRG personnel. They exactly know the terrain. They are from the villages where most of these Naxals are picked up from. So exactly the terrain, the weather
tragic.
and the
Sumi,
language.
what you're telling us.
There in Bastar
Keep
division,
tracking all the latest on that. We are told there had been an operation earlier, anti-Naxal operation, and now what we hear is they're carrying security personnel. At least 8 to 9 have lost their life. Developing story. So me and all our colleagues will be tracking more on that from Chhattisgarh. But a reminder of on-the-ground situation still sensitive.